with another video, but this time it's with a voiceover. I'm not quite comfortable with the concept of voiceover yet, but many of you requested one, so here it is. Well, today's topic of the video is how to take notes, or rather, how I write my notes. I would be dividing this video into three parts. First, how to construct your notes. Second, how to write straightly on a white paper. And third, how to take notes. So, first comes the header. You can do it in many ways, but for me, I don't have that much of time to spend on making beautiful headers and stuff, so I just go with the simple one, that is the first one. But here are some examples you might want to take a look at, ways to jazz up your headers and stuff. But disclaimer, I'm not quite good with calligraphy and stuff, and secondly, these are just the basic, type of headers slash titles, but you may take inspiration from it. The concept of writing a header is to distinguish the name of the chapter or the module. That is why we write it big and colorful and stuff, but really you don't have to spend so much time on decorating your notes. It's just for the sake of fun. So you can write it just with a pen and still make it work. Then comes the highlighter. Well, I used to use those fluorescent ones earlier, but they were quite bright for my eyes, so I started using mine liners from the company Zebra. But currently I'm using the Stabilo Swing highlighters. The colors are very soothing to the eyes, so if possible I'll try to leave a link in the description below for all these products. But first, gather all your materials. Moving on to the main part, that is constructing your notes. But first, I like to give a disclaimer that there are various ways to take down notes, but this method suits me the best. But it may not work for you, so don't worry, you'll try out your own method soon. I write the heading above the margin. Then the title or the subheading is preceded by the main title marked by bullet points. I only write the key information with dashes, which are often followed by arrows or down arrows. I never write full sentences. Plus, I tend to use a lot of short forms like the symbol of and or BTW for between, OPP for opposite, etc. There are many more like that. This way it saves a lot of time and space. Then, underline key sentences or highlight keywords. I use the theme color pen for making diagrams or writing important information by starring it. Or sometimes I draw a cloud or a box around the information to make it stand out more. I suggest you dedicate a single color theme to a single chapter, because using many colors defeat the purpose of highlighting. So I say stick to one theme, it makes the notes more perceivable. Now coming to the second part of the video, which is the most requested part, that is how to write straightly on white paper. To be honest, there are not any specific tricks for it, but here are some few tips which improved my writing on white paper. First, keep your white paper on top of a ruled paper because the lines are slightly visible and hence acts like a guide. Second, maybe the most common tip is practice as much as you can. It will improve eventually. Then a technical tip would be tilting your page. By this way the writing becomes way easier. Fourth, last but not the least, don't be scared to mess up. It will get better eventually. Coming to the last part of the video, taking your notes. First, read your content. It is very important to do so that you know what you're dealing with. Second, refer to your study guide or your syllabus time to time for more constructive and less time-consuming study sessions. Third, if you don't have the time to read the whole module, glance through the review points given at the end of every chapter. It gives the most comprehensive guideline to the chapter. Well, that's it for my video. I really hope this video was some kind of a help to you or aided you in figuring out your style of note taking. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.